Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy here Onyx. In this video, we are gonna learn how to create a split color effect in Photoshop. So, goodbye.
You had one job to do!
Sorry, just kidding. To begin with, open your image and convert it into a smart object. After that, head over to the image adjustment menu and choose the black and white adjustment layer. Reduce the reds a bit and click OK. Good. Now duplicate the layer and head over to the blending options. Turn the green and blue channels off and click OK. Now, nudge the image to the left using the arrow keys on your keyboard to reveal the effect.
Ooh, that's a good one.
But we don't want the effect to affect certain parts of the image, so we need to create a mask on the layer and clean those parts using the brush tool. The effect is now ready. But you can go ahead and change the colors if you want, by heading over to the blending options again and playing around with the channels. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed this Photoshop tutorial. Don't forget to help this channel by smashing that like button. And we shall meet in heaven. Sorry, next time.